Hi everyone. So we are going to practice language for comparing and contrasting. In this week's work, you're going to do a listening where you hear about New Year's traditions in different cultures. And we're working towards an assessment in groups or in partners where you need to compare and contrast New Year's traditions in different countries, including your own country and Canada's, and possibly another comparison. So when we do that, we need the language to compare. So here are some expressions that we use: like, likewise, same as well as, also, to, likewise. And here's an example. Time, like money, is a limited resource. You can't buy everything you want. Likewise, you don't have enough time to do everything you want to do. Our time is the same as our money. It's limited. Also, time is a resource when work needs to be done. So if you took these expressions or other ones to contrast, like unlike, in contrast to, as opposed to, whereas, how could you compare your culture, cultural New Year traditions to Canada's? So I'd like you to look at the examples here and then use the expressions to make a comparison in the discussion forum. And then we can respond to each other's paragraphs. So using these expressions, write a paragraph in about 150 words or so. And then don't forget to give feedback to another student in the class.